Welcome. Today, we'll walk you through the updated steps to disable vibration for a specific group on WhatsApp. If you're tired of constant buzzing every time a group message pops up, this guide will help you regain peace. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once inside, find and select the group chat for which you want to mute vibration. Tap on the group chat to open it. Next, look at the top of the screen and tap on the group name displayed there. This will take you to the group's information page, where you can customize various settings. On the group info page, scroll down and tap on notifications. This section allows you to adjust how messages from this specific group notify you. Now locate the Vibrate option under the message notification section. Tap on it, and a menu will appear with vibration settings. Finally, select Off from the list of options and tap OK to confirm your choice. That's it. You've successfully disabled vibration for this WhatsApp group. From now on, your phone will no longer vibrate when messages arrive in this group chat. You'll still receive notifications without interruptions from vibrations, ensuring a quieter messaging experience. Thanks for tuning in. If this tutorial helped you, feel free to share it with others who might find it useful. Stay connected without distractions.